Did you know you can now recharge your phone without leaving WhatsApp? Yep, right from the chat. We just launched it, so if you haven't tried it yet, what are you waiting for? It works amazingly well and couldn't be more convenient. Look how easy it is. You send a message. The assistant walks you through entering the number. The carrier. The type of recharge, and the amount. You pay, and that's it. Your recharge is done in seconds, all inside WhatsApp. And it rarely happens. But if something goes wrong, it connects you with a real person, also in the chat, all without leaving WhatsApp. The best part? Once you open a chat with us on WhatsApp, we're right there whenever you need us, to recharge again or for anything else. We're leaving our number in the caption, so you can add us on WhatsApp. Give it a try, you'll love it.